Okay, welcome back to another unboxing video. I have no idea what this is. Got some engraving on it. This is going to be I actually don't know what this is, but I'm betting on it being a Gillette and a Traveller. Or maybe not. What is this? So that's hinged. Maybe it's a Tiffany. Oh God, I hate opening these things for the first time. Oh my God. It's a Tiffany. With the extendable handle. This is magic. Sterling silver. There's a date code there. I'll just get that up for you people out there that I can't. Let me try and see if I got this up the right way or not. I actually can't tell you, to be honest with you, with my glasses. There we go, it is 318414B. It's actually easier to read it through the camera than through my glasses. How's that? And these are another this is like this guy. I remember seeing these on the Mr. Razor website. I'm thinking, wow, imagine owning them, you know, like how rare must they be? And my God, I now own them. So that's a little thing in there to keep blades in. I assume this is a blade of some sort. I wonder if this came with the razor. If you got any idea looking at this, let me know in the comment section, because I have no idea what that's from, or if it was original, it come with the razor or not. Let's pop you back in there, close you up. Oh, this is beautiful stuff. That just little folds away like that. THR. Who was this guy? FCB. Okay. This will be a Bostonian, an older Bostonian, and it's in very nice condition. I'll show you what I mean between the thicknesses of those two handles. This feels much better. No blades. Put you to one side. Now, this has been staring at me for a while. No idea what's in it. If I'm going to guess, I'll say a brush. I believe I've guessed correctly. And I don't know much. Oh my God. Now, I won this, and at the time I did look it up. So I think it's made in Italy. V&C. Lovely wood grain. I imagine this is badger. Very thick knot. Very thick. Great stuff. Let me just pop you back in there. Wow. Here we go. Voigt and Kopp. And we have it. Okay. Another old brush. So I'll get rid of that knot. Interesting looking handle. And I'll re-knot that at another stage. These feel like more old brushes. Ugh, look at that. That knot looks like a dead animal. Ugh. This feels like another brush. I don't know how I got these, why I bought them. Maybe they just came with stuff. Now, something a bit more interesting. And another Gillette. I'm pretty sure I got one of these, but this one is in much nicer condition, so it's the reason why I've purchased that one. Looks like a crack in there, but still looks very nice condition. Rarely, may have not been used. I'd say it has, but not many times. Not many times at all. It's nice how I got it with the shipper in some sort of shape. Okay. Well, we'll stop this unboxing here and we'll come back to you again next week with another unboxing. Ciao for now.